How to follow someone on Instagram. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to follow someone on Instagram. Super simple and only takes a few steps. So let's get started. First, open Instagram and make sure you are logged in. At the bottom of the screen, tap the magnifying glass to go to the explore page right here. Now you can type the name or username of the person or page you want to follow. Let's say you want to follow Lily Thrift. Now just search for it and search it. You will find their pairs for you page right here. You can tap on accounts if you want to find the account. Now once their profile appears, tap it. Then hit the blue follow button. If their account is private, you will see requested instead. But if their account is public, you can just follow it by tapping on this blue button right here. Tap on it. As you can see, you have followed this account. And that's it. You are now following them and can see their posts and stories. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe and hit the bell for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.